Welcome to our channel, friends. Today our topic is nature of the roots. So how do we find the nature of the roots? So based on the formula of b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now come to, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two roots are real. Okay, then two roots are real roots. Okay, so when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two roots are real roots. Okay, so next, if b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then two roots are equal roots. Okay, then two roots are equal roots. Next, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then two roots are no real roots. Okay, so compare these three situations. So first of all, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So greater than 0, then two roots are real. Then if b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then two roots are equal roots. Okay, two roots are equal roots. Then if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then two roots are no real roots. Okay, so these are the nature of the roots. So based on this formula, we have to find the nature of the roots, b square minus 4ac. Okay, thank you.